this is still going to go down. Trying to look for an area where this might bounce up. Maybe around the S1, what is that, 360 area to 316 would be a good area to look for along with the NQ.
Other responses?
Yeah,
I
I'd
think they wanted to
agree.
bring this thing right back down to the overnight low. Or the,
Inconsistent. And the other thing I want to make clear to everybody is that we do
we'll see.
still
We'll
have
see. We'll be patient.
conflict zones. And
It's hard to
I
get on
made it
board with the long
abundantly
here.
clear, my last four assignments were Pakistan, Afghanistan, Yemen, and Lebanon. So that's not nothing. And what we spend our time doing when there's not a conflict is planning and making sure that everybody's on the same page and making sure we have good communications with our military folks on the other side who are also doing their planning so that we all know should something happen that we have a pretty good integrated plan that is at least a starting point. And Jeff's exactly right that you can start with messaging that is short of, oh my God, leave now. There are plenty of signals that you can riff off of to say, getting a little tense in the region. The president is talking about possible conflict. You can ratchet that up slowly, which gives people the chance to do something versus telling them after bombs are already falling, get out now and we can't help you. Let me just add a point, having just come out of Baghdad, where we were, as many of you already know, we're taking
Yes, it's kind of setting up for a long here.
attack both
Oh,
in
that's a tough
Afghanistan.
call.
We said
That's a
we've
tough
taken it
call.
again several times, and this is actually
Tough, tough call. I'm going to pass on it.
on our diplomatic facilities that we've seen over the last
But
few
it is a
months.
long.
The reality is, you can do all of this planning. You can
It is
you
definitely long.
need to think of how you phase the evacuation of people. That does not in any way give away time on target, as they would say.
Uh,
There is a big
Anybody
difference
take that? That was
as
definitely a
to
long
when
setup on
you
the yes.
actually decide
I just
press the go
having
button.
trouble getting on board with the long here.
And I think it's a bit insulting to think that people in the senior leadership positions at embassies who work this and who have communications all over
Or
the interagency can't keep secrets. I'm not
uh,
going to debate on who
basically
keeps
just a little
secrets.
scout. Doesn't.
What I will say is when it comes to this crisis,
Let's just wait. Wait, we get something a little
Afghanistan
cleaner.
is 92
Yeah, I don't. I just can't get
I
myself
just can't get on board with the longs, man. It
or a
doesn't.
breakout either.
and you remember that
No,
you have
no, no.
27 people
I
hanging
want
in
this.
there.
I mean, as far as NQ is concerned, for me, I want it down to that low area.
All of us here have a lot
But
of
it is.
experience
It is an ES long. I
in
mean, I
dealing
said it. I
with
didn't take it, but I said it.
alerting
There he goes.
American citizens and not
Anybody take it?
giving away the information. So I think that
Took the MES. All
the
right, cool.
communication is huge. There is both a lack of
Nice,
communication that exists
nice.
in embassies right
I
now,
mean, it was valid. I'm
but
just
No,
cautious
good
on the
setup.
long right now.
as
Yeah,
Ambassador Bass
good
said,
job.
there's also a
Definitely good
difference
job. Hold it. Don't get out of it. Oh, well, you said you already took it for a nine tick. Okay.
between the senior
What's
leaders
that?
and the embassy at
Uh,
large. We spent a lot of
One
time
UK. He
Oh
took
wow.
the MES. He took the MES long.
in Baghdad
Okay.
speaking to Ambassador Bass and his team to reassure them that we had our stuff together so that he didn't have to worry about the largest embassy and personnel in that region. And he and the
Okay.
largest
Non-tick.
embassy that has the best
All right.
security.
If you saw some of the trades yesterday, when UK, we tend to do a target
Also, and the
at
embassy
about
said, and it's
5 or 6 ticks on the ES, or maybe 9 on the MES, and then leave a contract so you can let it run.
Try to catch a runner. Yeah.
Yeah.
process, the operational
Have you ever
parsing
read
of
High Probability Trading?
the
That's kind of what we stick to.
the tweaking of the emergency action plans, the network that supports all of that, that many people don't see. And frankly, I'm not sure people should see because that is a vulnerability. But the reality is it's out there and it needs to be activated. And there are ways to activate it and to work on it without giving away, as I'm going to say again, time on target. Please.
Hi, I'm Mara from Reuters. Ambassador Bass, good to see you again. Um, I have two questions, perhaps one to specifically Ambassador Bass. When he was speaking, the way he defined the culture at the State Department at the moment, a culture of intimidation and fear, and said we don't know whether there was any communication between the give the scoops to the, journalists who have attended this in person. It's like, has there been, do you know of any attempts that from the embassies that they tried to say something, but because of this culture, they were discouraged from doing so? And my second question is to everybody. When we talk to the diplomats who are on the receiving end of this, right? Like not necessarily just Gulf diplomats, but diplomats around the world. Some of them tend to come out and say stuff like this. Well, we directly talk to Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner, and sometimes we talk to directly with Trump. So who needs embassies?
Meeting?
Or I mean, not
And Corey, would
embassies,
you
but
like to
who
read that
needs
for us, please?
ambassadors? So this is like leaders to leaders diplomacy, a term that Trump
You're not on mute.
started
I don't know if you're trying to.
during Trump's first term. How do you
What?
like? I mean, that
I
would be
said
like
you
one
weren't on
example,
mute. I don't know if you're
but is there a disadvantage to it? Thank you.
doing something else or.
Ambassador Bass?
Yeah, thank you, Humera. Thanks for your question. I don't have any specific knowledge of communications in the run-up to the conflict
What's
in
that?
No, I was just saying you weren't muted. I didn't know if you
You
were
can. Can you hear
doing if
anything
you were
now?
doing something.
my
No,
foreign
I can't hear anything.
analysts are aware of any number of instances in which um, uh, former colleagues were either fired last year, included in the reduction in force effort, um, with, and for those of you who don't know the Arcana, normally when there's a reduction in force, it's merit based,
All right. What are you gonna do here, NQ?
based on time and service among a group of people, and you take a percentage of that group. It's called a competition group in the personnel, in the government
Just.
personnel arcana. Before the
What do you
reduction
think
in
about
force,
layering in some micros here?
essentially
Short on NQ.
an individual, a
Yeah.
competition
Well,
group,
I was talking about that yesterday, man.
I know.
I got up to like 3 on that one that I did, and it worked out pretty well. Let's go a little bit higher, and yeah, let's set one of
You're
these
gonna get your.
charts up to do that.
preceding months, whether you continue doing the nation's business that was
Yeah, so let's get a little bit higher, and yeah, absolutely.
asked for permission,
Let's
somebody got
start doing that.
going, even though it was run-of-the-mill stuff. In some cases, there was retribution against
Okay.
individuals who had been in positions within the Personnel Bureau, and individuals with a grievance who were now in positions of authority felt that now was their time to get retribution because they had, quote unquote, been treated unfairly. And in other cases, people
What's the day? 320.
in the very
320.
beginning
Yes.
tried to point out some of the downsides of a potential course of action that the administration had decided on were
Things
deemed
going up, up, up,
misguided
up.
simply for not for
Couldn't take that long there, but
policy,
wasn't even clean.
but for pointing out some of the challenges associated with a particular course of action and making sure that leadership could make informed choices. If you go back and look at the history of U.S. foreign policy and national security
Um,
mistakes, including a number of mistakes that President Trump has identified,
set myself sensible, hopefully consistent, reachable daily target of 25 ticks or so. Because a little more than great, but usually 2 to 3 trades, and then I'm okay. DFT. That's good. Up here around this level, I got at 480 ish, 24 480 ish. We can add one. Let's do that.
Or 480.
Maybe
Yeah.
right
And that's
now.
that's
sufficiently thought through.
Yeah, no, let's do. Yeah, let's just add a limit on the like what 477
Administration would want to ensure it was not
sell limit.
yeah. 470. Yeah, 477.
Let's go 470. Just to be.
I mean, it's probably gonna turn right here, but
I know, but
where's
maybe
our
yeah, we could have
stochastics?
added one
Nah.
there and then a little bit higher, maybe. I mean, we got all the way up to, you know, 560.
to the Middle East. Speaking on Iran, as we're taking a live look there in Beirut this morning. Now, I also
Maybe
wanted to
even.
share this here
I
with
mean,
you.
we could do
This is
like
just coming out from the Israel Defense
six.
Forces saying
630, but they, I mean, if it gets above there,
intelligence division of the Besieged force, as well as several
I get a
other
little scared
leaders and
of the shorts.
on the senior leadership of the Besieged force in the heart of Tehran.
Yeah,
So
maybe one
that's
one at what,
by the IDF. Now we do have another post from the
470, like you said, and then one at
wanted to bring to you here. Just popping up today.
5. Look at yesterday.
Person and head of the public relations array of the IRGC. So we do have that coming
470, 514, and then up around
that we have gotten in here
560, like we said.
with you as the IDF is confirming
How about that?
Iranian Revolutionary
That'll
I
get
like that.
3 deep.
as well as that other post
Let's do that.
with you.
All right, I got one at 470.
Commercial break continuing that
470, 75, but close enough. 3 ticks. This whole thing of good trade setups, pushing up and then back down, and then they set up ticks lower than usual, and then it takes off again. That's a
Yeah.
planned little game there. Planned. So another one UK is I go into Paul does as well. We go into the firm belief that everything happening in the markets is manipulation to benefit institutions. Which, I mean, I think everybody should believe that.
Yes.
Everybody should believe
Because
that
it's true.
because it is true. And
There we go.
crap,
Ooh.
it came within ticks of our of our limit.
I hit the sell button.
did?
I didn't even have it got up there. I just hit the sell button.
Kevin, what are you doing,
Look at
buddy?
this. Who we got?
Kevin J, my buddy.
Kevin. Welcome.
My
Look at this thing dump. Look at this freaking
I know that's
80,
what,
90,
what are you supposed to do?
$100 one micro trade. Here we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on down.
I turned my head for 2 seconds. I was saying, I saw it popping up, and I was like, "Oh, that's gonna grab my order."
Yeah,
I'll
I
be
just
good.
I just literally just hit the sell button.
Yell at me
I
next
figured
time.
we were
bro.
gonna layer. Well, I figured you're gonna layer in, and we don't have to be exact with our
No,
entries.
you're right. You're right.
All right, keep going, baby.
Should have grabbed that.
Going.
My
I'm
bad.
not giving a lot of this back. I'll get back in again. I'm out. I'm gonna lock in that
Take your $100
$87,
That's- I mean, that adds up,
87.23,
man.
87.20.
Dude, you do that 10 times a day. That's $1,000 a day.
Heck yeah, it's $1,000 day.
That's, I mean, you can't beat it. It's like a sore.
Now come back up and I'll get in again. More time. Do it again.
It's like a sore member, man. You can't beat it.
You're watching live now with Box. So welcome back.
Nice.
Live look out of Washington, D.C., where at 10 a.m. Eastern time, and
That's good. Good job.
testifying
Dang it. All right, I'll wait for the next wave.
Appropriations Subcommittee on National Security.
Next wave. Yell at me next time. I turn my head here for 2 seconds.
You were the one that was talking. I figured you just did it. You were the one saying it. I just took your
Silly
cue.
me.
I just didn't have an order resting. I just literally wanted to just watch it when I got up somewhere close. I just hit sell button. And to be honest with you, I figured it was going to go up higher, so we would have to add into that. So
There was a
I didn't
decent
realize
short
that.
set up on the ES. Should have looked at that.
Yeah, that was a pretty good one. Ran off of VWAP.
I
So
don't know
that
if Red Wine, did you do the short on RTY? Where's he at?
oh,
600% true. Yes, markets are. I mean, you've got to live under. If you're a trader, you've got to live under that one thought process. Markets are manipulated to benefit the institutions, and do you?
yes, but
a-
it was sim. Okay,
Oh,
well,
okay.
it's
All right,
okay.
that's
At least you
fine.
took
Red
three.
Wine, do you get
Took
used to it,
three.
man? You gotta go slow, bro. It's a new system for you, Red Wine. So take it easy. Good job, Kevin J. How you been, man? Call me sometime, Kevin. Call me. Let's talk today. I want to catch up with you, man. It's been a hot minute. All right, I refresh my thing, and every now and then it goes to 0.00 lag. That makes me feel good.
There you go. I'm at 0, 0 lag now. 0, 3, 0, 2,
Point oh
0,
0.01,
0.
0.02, 0.00.
No, I
That's
don't think you. Yeah, you're not having a lag problem.
nope, nope. Man, that was silly. They cut the power off yesterday. Didn't tell anybody. And they're like, "Oh yeah, we found a problem outside your house. We got to fix it." And I'm like, "Just like give me like a heads up or something, not like
Yeah,
a
appreciate the warning there.
yeah." I mean, I'm in this like you know how they build these like it's I don't know, I wouldn't call it a condo. It's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath with a basement.
Like a
Nice little
townhome type thing, or
yeah. It's attached to another unit. It's just a two. You know, it's one of those like 2 unit beach
yeah.
things. It's, it's it's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. But you know, I just moved here like not long ago, and I'm getting used to like the ordinances. They have really it's beach ordinances. So it's everything's like if you say something louder than 2 decibels after 9 p.m., you get a fine type stuff. And they just kind of do their own thing. You know, it's like it's a small the city is the like you know I showed you that picture. The city's literally the
Yeah.
size of the island I'm on. That's it. That's the size of it.
Wow.
There's like 4 police officers that
All right,
rotate
this thing's
shifts.
dumping now.
Yeah.
He's a dumping.
Trying to. Dang it, man! I wish I'd gotten in that. You should have added on that little rally, I guess, huh?
Yeah, on that little bounce back up. Mm.
We should see. Let's see. Look at the yes, a little bit lower. I'm gonna look for a bounce for a long. How about that? I'll do it in micros because I don't want to take longs in this market in minis. Just a little bit lower. 1 UK. You want to see a example AT? Are you on Ninja? Is he on Ninja? Been busy with family stuff. Okay,
No.
yeah. Call me sometime this weekend, Kevin. Are you on Ninja? Okay, yeah. Here's a. We like this. This ATM works really well for us. Right here on the ES. And then you adjust the final target, obviously, but it's a good starting point. Really good starting point. It's for our setups. If you want to do, it's just you can do 2 contracts if you don't want to do 3 and 3 on the MES, but we keep it pretty static at like 5 tick profit on the first contract or a couple contracts, whatever you're doing on the MES, and then 20 tick target. Usually on our setups, both of those are highly achievable. Usually, if you want the ATM, it's pretty simple, straightforward. All right, are we down there? Let's see. Is this where I want
Yeah,
to take it? I
we
think it
got
needs to be
down
a
there.
little bit
We're
lower. A little bit lower, man. That's where it came
a little
from
bit lower.
earlier. That double bottom earlier.
Mm-hmm. That's a little bit lower.
Let's
Let
get
it.
that a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. They're trying to head fake the newbies at this point. How many people took along there and meow.
Come down.
A little bit lower here. We'll get a long in us. See here.
Some comments there from Representative.
Yes, sir. You're welcome, One UK. And if you know, as you get into today, come Monday, write some questions down. And Monday, if you got time in our afternoon, your evening, I'll do some education for you on what we're doing. It's I like I feel like it's simple, but I don't know your experience level. So, there's okay. Thank you. Yeah, but anybody new or beginner. Okay, perfect. Then yeah, definitely write questions down. We also have a one-time $99 coaching session. That we do a la carte. So if you want to get on the phone with me or Paul, did we miss that long? No, I wanted just it needed to go a little bit lower for me there.
Need more people in your
I don't get
restaurant?
head faked
Oh,
on
yeah.
this.
Hyper target hungry consumers
I
in
mean, it looks like a good setup, doesn't it? But
learn how
It's looking
you
like
want
it.
to try it?
organizations can
D-
drive
Do
more
you?
We
consistent
give it a shot.
results.
Looks like this is it right here.
Yeah.
Plus.com.
Why am I having a hard time pulling trigger right now? Yeah. I'm gonna pass. It's not convincing enough. I mean, you look at it like this. This trade here. We like to see these wicks on the bottom side of the bigger tick chart. But we should once, and here's the thing that scares, or we this is why we like our levels when UK is that if we see something like this and it doesn't come from a level, I don't get super excited. Down here, we get something like a couple wicks on the bottom side of a candle, or a couple of candles with wicks. Then I'll get excited about the long. I think this is just because it's around S2 would be the only reason, or S1, sorry.
I gotta go take a quick bathroom break. Be right back. Hope this thing won't move while I'm gone.
Yeah, you're probably gonna miss a long, but that's fine. I'll take it without you.
Maxwell Frost, as well as other officials on affordable housing. Once we do see Walt begin, we will transition to that live coverage.
Where families find what the market has denied them, which is affordability. It is where people finally
And we don't do pure reversals either. That's something that just is hard. That's a silly thing to do. I mean, if you can trade V bottoms, V tops, then teach me how. Teach me how to do that.
them. You can own your home, but if you do not own the land, you do not control your future. That imbalance has created a system where too many homeowners are vulnerable to rising
Okay, we're getting down. Let's see this. I think I'm gonna try this MES on the long. I mean, I'll do the shorts with the ES.
along with Representative Paula Stark, have filed the state version, which is Senate Bill
Let's see if it sets up.
that proposed significant new protections for mobile home parks.
Now's the spot.
At its core, this bill did five things. Simple but important things. It strengthened enforcement. It required real transparency in rent increases. It protected residents from unfair payment
Okay.
practices. It guaranteed fair mediation. And it ensured
Maybe.
families are not left behind when parks close. Now, I also want to be transparent.
Let's see what we get here.
Heard this past legislative session.
This might be a decent. I mean, this is the spot.
The end of this conversation. It is in fact just the beginning. Because what we have heard loud and clear is that this issue matters.
Let's see if it sets up.
And as we look ahead to next session,
If this doesn't set up, I forgot to look at this. Shoot. If this doesn't set up, we almost have to think about. I said no breakouts, but if this doesn't set up, we gotta almost think about the short coming out of here below 7, which I said yesterday below 11. It's trying to set up, isn't it?
It's trying to.
Let's see here. Give me another candle over here. Okay. We got down to 7 that this could do this. There's a nice little doji. Let's see what happens here. Nope. Nope. No setup. I'm tempted to try this on both if it sets up right. If it goes below 7, man, we got to think about the breakout on the short side, huh?
I mean, down here, yeah, yeah, we have to.
Wait, I mean, we got lots of room to run below it. Let's see, it's got to do it now. Let's see what happens. It's just
But,
that's almost it, huh? Let's see. I'm switching to a different thought process on my account here. I'm gonna try the M and Q on a different account. If it, okay, maybe we're getting it set up. I mean, this is where we pause. Do do we put a sell below
focusing on this issue because
525?
Resource Center, we are right
Or
down the
I
road
mean,
across the street here.
think about this.
We see
What do you
this all
think?
the time. Um,
We're just
when I stand here
there's
today,
a setup
I'm
now.
looking. I'm looking.
used to be
Below, sell below. Yeah, I mean, you'd have to take the breakout.
community. It was all
It's you're getting the setup now, though.
I know.
Oh,
seniors
It's a
living
good setup too. The high there is
it's the reality of it.
oh
925.
nine.
Disappeared.
Yeah, nine
Say
and a quarter.
4 visible
950.
overnight.
Let's see if we
And
get
down she
filled.
goes.
If this is a setup, oh no, let's short it.
And
Displaced from
it's gonna. Yep.
mobile home parks when they had nowhere else to go. One of them,
Never mind.
let me tell you a little bit about Klaus because
There
this
it
is a
goes.
real person. He had lived here in an RV,
Come on.
owned by his parents, and left to him when they
I didn't get it on the
passed away in
MES.
his life.
I got it on the. I jumped in on the M and Q.
A couple
I'm on the
of months
MES.
in 2013.
I had one ready to go on short on the M and Q, and I was looking at the long on the MES.
They all got evicted,
Oh
Ah, it's
come
gonna
on.
get me.
became homeless, didn't know what to
Come
do,
on.
didn't know where to
I don't
go.
like that.
This man had never known this
You
before.
can bet I'll reverse long though.
He'd never
Yeah, you kind of have to if this doesn't. This is just what the thing is this should have been a short right there.
we worked with many of the residents
There's
that
not
were
anything that
displaced
should have
from
been holding
here,
that up still,
and we were able to help him
other than
until
good old fashioned market manipulation.
housing
This is down. It's going. It's gonna break.
Let's see what happens. See what happens. Come on, baby.
It's about to break. I should have done that on the ES.
There we
There we
go.
go.
Target
Target
off.
off.
only one. So this happened to
Target off. Oh, I should pull this over here.
and
Target off.
how could this happen to us?
Target off. Don't you get my target. Let's go. Go on, get down.
Invested. So we should
All right, I'm pretty happy with this.
resources we have from the county for
Yeah.
community development.
Well
So where's
thought
my
through.
stop
Well
here
talked
on
about
this?
trade there.
To be honest, these resources are never enough.
Yeah, I like that. Wish I'd have caught it
Oh,
on
can't
the.
even get my stop. Dang.
Wish I'd have caught it on the mini.
Proposal is so important.
Yeah. Yeah. That I told myself I'm not gonna do mini breakouts.
Matters so
I'll just do micros on the breakout today. So
change the pattern that we're seeing over and over again. By unlocking this funding and creating real opportunities for residents to own their homes or to have more say in what happens to them, we can prevent displacement before it happens. And I'll speak from a homeless services provider point of view. Trust me, it's much easier to keep people in housing than it is to rehouse them, to try to rebuild their lives. It's much harder to do that. So this is about whether people in our community, people like Klaus, have a fair shot to stay rooted, to feel secure, and to move forward. Because once a community like this is gone, and you see the empty lot behind me, it's not easy to bring it back. And every time we lose one of these communities, we're creating the next wave of homelessness. And there are more people that are looking for resources coming to our center. And like I said, it's much harder to rebuild it than to keep them in housing and security. So we can do better than that as a community. And again, thank you, Congressman, for proposing this and focusing on this issue. This is a step definitely in the right direction. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And
And we're listening in there to Representative Maxwell Frost and other officials that they were speaking on affordable housing. But we do see this live event now underway. And this is actually out of New York, not Washington, D.C., as Ambassador Mike Waltz.
I don't think we could do the micros. We should be doing the add in the shorts on the micros.
yeah, if I would have gotten that first one with you, I think I'd probably still be in it.
Yeah.
inefficient and ineffective programs and refocusing funding on programs
All right, now we're. I mean, small tick chart cell signal. Take that.
funding for the United Nations
On where ES or E?
from
When you keep asking that, I'm like, pick one. I don't care.
which resulted in nearly 50
Like,
I mean, I say we do a micro add-in on the NQ. Let it come up here a little bit longer. I'm just gonna think I'm just gonna get in.
do one now. All right.
opportunity to discuss these measures at
Yeah,
great
hold
length
on. Let me grab this phone real quick.
with a really good
What? Don't throw it. Just grab it.
that Ambassador Waltz and his team have just begun to undertake with really, frankly, notable results. That's what
Unaccountability. Waltz testifies on unaccountability. What an interesting thing.
we demand results.
All right, I got one micro on the M and Q now. I'll add up.
Great potential. But the president
I
also
mean, if this is the scary territory, if it comes, that's tough.
to living up to that potential.
I mean, we broke yesterday's low. We got just a little bit back here. That low is 200,
The UN is
and we just hit
American with America's interests
260. Okay, I'm comfortable with that.
that it claims to support. Look, from human rights
Why is this
many of the world's
tick counter? Well, I don't need a tick counter.
World Health Organization's pandering to Communist China during COVID-19 while shutting out Taiwan, to Iran winning a seat on the Commission on the Status of Women while its regime brutalized and murdered women on the
Okay, I don't need pivots on that either.
But fortunately, President Trump and Secretary Rubio are ushering a new era of international accountability. One that demonstrates the glaring
I don't know why Ninja's so silly. When you change stuff around, I got a new monitor,
is not member states, but the UN structure itself.
a couple new monitors, and it just I don't know. My Ninja's got a freaking ghost in it or something.
But for too long, administrations have really relied on UN self-reporting and
Post your winning trades in the winning trade chat, guys. You guys get a winning trade, sim, live, I don't care. Let everybody see what you're doing.
just
Take a screenshot, send them in.
bloatness and brokenness. So let me be clear.
Okay.
Yeah, that.
break it up.
Sorry, Red White, I didn't see that. That's a long come. Look above this RTY here, this midpoint. That high is 88.9 red wine. That's your buy if it goes above that. Above 88.9 is your buy. All right, red wine.
Institutions funded with their tax dollars will support United States
So just don't buy on the. I mean, if you buy on the hook, obviously you know your stop's got to be below this low here, right? Red wine.
accountability. Too often, that is not what we see. The enacted fiscal
But I would wait to buy above this midpoint here.
begins to change
That'll confirm the long.
this subcommittee worked awfully hard to secure tools that match the scale of the problem. The lobby
GC. Keep forgetting. We need to look at MGC.
international organization
Why is this doing this? Why? So again, this is silly, man. Like, it added all this stuff back to my daily charts. I'm like, I don't need it. I don't know what you're
That's
doing.
weird. And you're, of course, you're saving it, right?
Yeah, I saved my workspace, and then it's just from changing monitors, getting a new monitor. Oh man, we still kind of think about buying gold down here. MGC, obviously. Like, if it breaks this little structure here at this level I got. Nope. Never mind.
commission of inquiry against
I don't do breakouts on gold. That is not cool. 6E.
state conduct
Ooh, 6E's at a really good level here, man.
at the UN and treatment of,
Don't take the trade. Let me do it.
in short,
Okay. You don't have to talk me in too much.
It's a winner.
and here's the issue.
Ooh, I like that. If it doesn't go any lower on 6E, I'm probably going to be inclined to take this on the long side.
This administration, with the ambassador before us today,
Keep my eye on that.
to the full extent possible. I support an approach that treats United States
We had a
money
nice little swing
revenue,
high
not
for
tribute.
ES and
Investments
NQ here at the
using foreign
lows.
contributions are positioned
So we can think
for
reversal if it breaks that
long-term
swing
success.
high, and if it goes lower than that, again, I came into the morning saying no breakouts, but man, there's a lot of downside
As the
opportunity here.
landscape of world
Yeah.
politics changes
There's a
and
ton of downside opportunity.
regimes that are bent on
ES
suppressing
was inside day, now it's not.
human dignity,
Well, we got to
just
get
don't
below.
stand.
Oh, stupid daily charts. This is annoying.
Havana
See how my see how my indicator charts are
that the old assumptions
not
That's weird.
well, but the when I pull up the indicators
but sadly
now, I
we have not had a U.S. secretariat that has been a consistent advocate for
oh,
freedom and human
pivots.
rights
Get rid of
in
that.
decades. The current
At
administration,
least my
like its predecessors, is not living up to its job
at least
description,
my
let alone
screen, it doesn't pop off the screen anymore.
chartered to promote peace.
We got to deal with this wick last week on the
Actually,
low,
it's a
but
shameful rhetoric
or
on issues like on Iran and on Gaza that make it clear that they're not living up to
if
their
we get below
promises.
this, we have a lot of
Now, the
room to
U.S.
sell.
Charter
But we
speaks of peace
think
and
we got to
security,
think possible
but its
reversal territory.
institutions do not
Wait.
deliver
That daily
by
was that
repeating
NQ? Oh no.
international statements. They
Oh
earn it.
crap!
They earn it through
Yeah.
confidence,
Huh.
through transparency, through neutrality, and
See, I had that on the yes yesterday.
this
It ghosted my
is the
ninja.
exception, unfortunately. It's a huge
Oh, we did. We
challenge.
just
It's a
pushed
huge
lower
challenge.
yesterday
And
on the
it
yes.
is
You're right. That was NQ. We think possible reversal. If not,
one of our nation's best, brightest, and
so
most
anything above
courageous individuals
this
as
last swing
ambassadors.
high,
Again,
we start
to
buying,
get
huh?
this difficult job done. And
Yeah.
You think?
it's a
That's what.
pleasure radio.
But see what it does here. Comes back down again, and
Thank you for your continued service to our country.
Well,
You have
one
spent
little
your
micro.
entire adult life honorably serving this great country of ours. And thank you for your willingness to
nope.
It's
She's
hard to
going
say.
down.
Yeah, we gotta like
look forward to
goodness.
hearing how you
My
intend
one
to
little
use the leverage
one
that the
little
social
micro of mine. I'm gonna let it shine.
underway to press for accountability and
No,
reform
that's not cool.
and meaningful
I'm just watching to see what this does.
It's now
One
time
little
Intently
micro of
watching here.
mine. I'm gonna let it shine.
the ranking member
I'm gonna,
of the full committee
I'm gonna take a
subcommittee, Congresswoman Franklin. Your recommendation.
take a stop on that $50 on that little micro,
I have to say this is an amazing place to
and
be.
then I'll just get back in if it breaks out on a micro.
Thank you for your work. Mr. Chairman, thank you for calling this meeting. I'm Lois Frankel, and I also...
So proud of myself, dude. All week,
we have
I kept those two accounts.
showing here. You will see...
I did the $100 every single day.
$100 every day.
Every single day, without fail, got $100 on those two accounts that I designated to the
Walked
$100
away.
a day, $100 day plan. Yeah, proud of myself, man. Patting myself on the back right now.
I know that's tough for you. I know.
I know.
It's hard to make that just $100.
$100? Damn.
That's it. I gotta walk away now.
I've changed. I'm a new man. A new man, bro.
On girls' education. That's how we
New
learn.
man. See that short red wine on the RTY. One thing you start looking at is with the bigger tick chart red wine is if the long fails, and we do this often. If the long fails on a bigger tick chart, take the short. Vice versa, if
short.
the short fails, take the
Yeah.
long. Just like now, we should take the short.
I grew up collecting...
Man, I should have done that on.
I visited the UN many
Whatever.
times. It's really been part of my life history.
It's got to go now.
To me, it remains a unique
That's a breakout. We got nothing holding this up.
together to address shared
Yeah.
Nothing holding this up. You got a little bit back here, like I said from last week, but nothing on the ES is holding up.
comes together to talk.
Nothing at all. This is
Oh.
And room for improvement, it's important to recognize that the United
do another micro or something, I guess. What we do?
Yeah.
States is supporting U.S. foreign policy priorities. And we've heard a lot, and I know we'll hear more about reform.
I was going to tell you that we should put a cell in below one.
We are going to be most effective when we lead, working with partners and packing
Nah,
warmth,
this is going.
sustaining and
This is
reinforcing
going. This is going.
values. The negative
We
I'll
got to
have
rate
to
get
get
down.
in down here.
Yeah, we got to get down to.
Gotta let it go.
consequences, and I hope
Yeah.
that
What's your level on the ES below here?
mission success.
Uh, I got a
But I want to use this as an
230,
example. I
24, 230, and
last night. Really, it was a pleasure to meet you.
yeah, like anywhere between 210 and 230 is like a zone I got here.
But one of the things we
So we're getting coming into an area where it could bounce, but who the heck knows?
really
Look, there's your.
advantageous. It's all
Oh,
change now.
what the heck here?
I just want to say that if we walked away from the UN, who is left at the table to change the culture or this anti-bias? And I can give you, I'm sure, hundreds of more examples.
An
Continue
area where it could bounce
participation,
should not be bouncing.
ensure that our priorities,
We should be getting lower.
accountability, and democratic values remain
Let's see.
central to the work of the UN system.
Good on Trusty Daily
That
here.
includes support for agencies that deliver
This should be
tangible
going
results
lower.
on the ground.
This is a smaller tick chart sell signal on the
To children,
NQ.
delivering vaccines, improving nutrition, expanding access to education, and responding to humanitarian crises. These efforts not only save lives, but they contribute to long-term stability and development that's best in our interests. And I know my colleagues have heard me say this so many times, but I have a son who is a United States Marine veteran who was in 2 wars, Mr. Ambassador, Iraq and Afghanistan.
Looks like she's gonna go up.
Well, he's on sale.
That's silly. That is silly. There's your market manipulation.
Mm-hmm. Boom.
Keeping the rest of the world
Go right up.
have to keep our military
Yep.
away. So we have seen new approaches to engagement with the UN entities, including expanded collaboration and humanitarian coordination with mechanisms such as OCHA. And just wanted to add, I hope education gets to be part of that. I know
All right. Well, let's look for the sell signal here in a bit.
agreements. And I wanted to say this, and I said with the ambassador sitting, the other ambassador here, because we talked a lot about the reform and efficiency, which I think is very good.
Oh no, you almost gotta look for him.
Is not reducing the budget. It's
Yeah,
to me, I want to find the ways that we can actually increase the budget in the things
I
that
almost want to buy this thing here on the NQ.
we should always
So I mean, I had an area here where it
Buying.
should bounce, and it did just that. But
what we want
You should told me that.
sure that the
well, I said we're in an area here where it should bounce, but I wasn't about to take a long after that strong
say that
dump.
Well, there's no real good setup either.
maybe sometimes
Hmm.
in some situations
I did. We got to still like.
to me is bullying and it is not the way to go.
I just short.
That's maybe where we'll
We
disagree.
figure out a short here in a minute. I mean,
The challenges
somewhere up here is where the short should happen.
public health threats, displacement,
Maybe a little bit higher.
technologies do not respect borders, and addressing them effectively requires cooperation and sustained leadership. And I'm gonna our ranking member today will be the pit bull on the budget. She's
There's a little bit of a sell signal.
But we have had an opportunity, among everyone here probably. I've met with many UN partners, and I would be remiss if I did not know concerns about cuts to U.S. funding and delays in payments to the United Nations system. That is just wrong. Predictable and timely contributions are essential to maintaining our credibility, sustaining critical operations, and ensuring that programs from peacekeeping to humanitarian assistance can function effectively. When payments are delayed or reduced, it creates operational challenges, sees influence,
Yeah, like I said, that was where it was sell signal.
advance U.S. priorities.
Yeah.
So, okay, as the Trump administration and Mr. Ambassador, as you consider reforms, it's important to maintain the consistency and reliability that underpin effective leadership. And okay, with that, I'm going to yield. I just ran out of paper, and it's really a pleasure to be here, Mr. Ambassador. Again, I'm wishing you the best on your mission here. And I yield back.
Thank you. Before I recognize the distinguished
Uh,
lady, just for the record, I'm not the one who calls
a little,
the
little jittery now, isn't it?
Yes, I'm telling you, this is kind of should go up here a little bit. I'm not saying maybe just a little higher to come down again, but it could just dump right here too. I mean, this is not tradable for me. This is just notice I'm quiet because there's nothing to do. I'm not gonna
Yeah.
force this.
Yeah. That, yeah,
So,
that's tough though.
I mean, I couldn't take it. I can't. I just can't. I'll take my little couple trades and be patient.
Yeah. I was watching a smaller tick chart. Just was looking at the M&Q smaller tick chart, and it's just like down, up, breakout, push back,
Yeah.
stop, down, push back, take your stop. Yeah, yeah. Forget this. No, let's sit on our hands for a little bit.
Yeah, definitely. This is it's just coin flip territory here.
I still think we look at the GC long though. MGC.
Yeah, it's setting up now if you want to take it.
Let me look at.
Actually, already happened to be honest with you.
Kinda.
At least on my chart it did. Yep. That entry would have already been. Oh, thank God I didn't take it because it would have been a loser. Oh, maybe not. It's turning back up.
Still. I mean,
Could take it down here with a smaller end. Now, if you want to do something crazy, you could take it, let it come down a little bit, take it here with a really small risk. Because it looks like it wants to turn back up.
it should. Hang on. I'll be right back.
Yeah, let's give that a little go. Put a stop right there. Look at that. But even that's $115 risk on a micro. That's just ridiculous. For a small. There we go. All right. Well, it worked out.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a spectator.
Later.
Tater. I'm gonna be a tater. Spectator.
is an investment in our national security. Lastly, there is a sad hypocrisy to the claim that the United Nations has not been effective enough. This administration has chosen to defund the UN, flout its charter, withdraw from many of its initiatives, and begin an open-ended war, a war of choice. This administration is worsening the problems that it blames the UN for being unable to solve. The United States, when we honor our commitments, when we keep our word to the international community, when we stand by our allies, we stand up to our adversaries, we are all
And
better,
gold's
safer,
GC's a
we are more free.
break down here.
Organizations like the United
Failed
Nations
long.
have our full support. We have a moral obligation as the most powerful nation in the world to promote peace and stability
Oh,
in
now
the
you want to
region.
short it?
And the
Well, I
United
mean,
States
it failed the long.
has
So,
every opportunity to advance
No, I'm
peace.
sitting on silence, man.
Ambassador Walls,
that's a good trade,
thank you for
actually.
testimony, and I look forward to our opportunity for questions and answers. Mr. Chairman, thank you, and I yield back.
Two little bangers, and that's it for me.
Greenwood, Member of Congress,
I mean,
Florida, Florida's favorite son, Ambassador Waltz.
Slow Friday, but it is what it is.
In the record,
take what you
please allow
get.
me to summarize your testimony. You're now recognized, sir.
Whoa,
Well,
what?
thank you, Mr. Chairman,
Oh, how do I have an account red?
and Ranking Member Frankel.
I
Thank
mean,
you for
it's a
traveling
few
this
dollars, but
morning.
what did
Thank you to the entire committee. I want to particularly thank both your staff
did I have the trading from
and
the chart
great
on and
team
put an order in
here
for
of
me or
civil
something?
servants, foreign service officers, and our ambassadors for
What?
helping us get
No.
this on. And
All right. Well,
just as an
whatever.
aside, to your point, Mr. Chairman, your presence here, and I want to say this to all the committee members, is helping our arguments. It's
Oh,
helping
crap. Chuck Norris
the
died.
case of
No.
freedom.
Oh
No.
no.
I knew today was a
Focus and
funky feeling.
All right, we're done.
is
That's
This
it.
is done.
We're
This is
going
it.
into
We're
morning,
done
man.
today.
to its post-World War II roots of making sure a
Damn,
comprehensive
Chuck Norris died.
and
Oh,
this
dude.
is the Holocaust,
That
the world at war, nuclear
really sucks.
weapons being used for the first and only time in history that can never happen again. But it's also sending a message that the Congress is watching closely. I tell my colleagues this in the UN Secretariat and bureaucracy all the time. Don't just listen to me in terms of our dollars being used more efficiently. The United States Congress is watching very closely. We have the entire Western world is in a much more fiscally restrained position. We have debts that are exploding, and we also have constituents that are asking tough questions. So I
Wow.
really do appreciate you taking the time out of your schedules here.
86 was
As I
hospitalized
stated in my
Wilcox
introduction,
Medical Center
the
in
UN truly does need
Hawaii
what we're calling
after a
backbone
sudden
citizens.
undisclosed medical emergency. He had
Respect,
been
brother.
training on the he'd been training on the North Shore near his home and was in good spirits and joking with friends and recently is
Security,
eh,
as I've mentioned
damn.
This is that. That's not true. I can't believe it.
the UN's
He,
budget in
I
the last
mean,
25
I don't
years
know.
has quadrupled.
Oh my god.
We have not seen arguably a quadrupling of peace and
I
security
mean, everything's saying it's true.
Oh my
those
gosh.
foreign dollars. So we are pressing it. We're pressing it to streamline its bureaucracy, to eliminate duplication. We've made it clear that we will cease participation in some UN
Wow.
agencies that undermine our sovereignty and
We'll
cannot be
see.
reformed.
Who knows these
We've
days? You
made it
can't believe
clear
anything
that
you
we
read.
renounce
It's like, who knows?
166 international
Who
organizations.
knows?
That review is ongoing, and from my perspective, let me be clear: the U.S. will not fund organizations that act contrary to our interests. Thanks to the president's leadership, we've made some unprecedented reforms possible. And I just want to walk you through for a moment our progress in 2025 and some of our goals. On budget and staffing cuts, the UN should be doing less and doing it better. Let's get it more focused and actually achieve more results. The 2026 UN regular
Oh
budget
boy.
was estimated at
Have I
3.2
lost something
billion.
here?
The
I
U.S.
have.
plans to
I have
spend
lost some connection because nothing's moving.
420 million in 2025 alone. Again, I think we need to reduce the UN size and ensure every taxpayer dollar is spent responsibly. And thanks to the strong efforts by the United States, led by Ambassador Bartos here and his team in what we call the UN's Fifth Committee, which approves its budget, we are working towards a leaner and better prioritized 2026 budget going forward. In December, we led member states to adopt a historic 15% cut, $570 million, out of the UN's regular budget. That will eliminate nearly 3,000 headquarters positions. And for our contribution, it will reduce our assessment by $126 million. So just in the 6 months that we've been here, we will see going forward a $126 million savings to the U.S. taxpayer. We've also pushed for a 25% reduction in peacekeeping.
You said you lost connection?
Other peacekeeping reforms in a moment that will also save us tens, if not hundreds of millions of dollars, while enabling what we call here the repatriation, the sending home of poorly performing peacekeeping troops. These outcomes are unprecedented
This
in
is
many
not
ways
tradable.
here in
Told you, man. I'm a spectator.
the kind of UN ecosystem, and we've made it clear that future funding will depend on continued progress and efficiency,
Spectatoring.
effectiveness, and accountability. On UN compensation and personnel, we're leading reforms to what is often exorbitant compensation and benefit
Spectator.
standards that the over 100,000 UN staff receive.
You know what?
This
I
is
need the last of my
17% more than U.S. equivalent civil servants.
last of my
I know many of them are right here in New York. They also have
dehydrated
additional
mangoes
generous
here.
benefits packages far exceeding what our
Yeah,
ground
we
civil
went.
servants, both here and abroad,
Yeah, we
receive.
made a big charcuterie board last night. It was
Of
good.
Sweet.
of their regular
We got
budget.
some mangoes, some
And we are working to bring
a whole
those
bunch of fruit, a whole bunch of like
packages to
Meats.
meats and
Yeah.
cheeses, and it was good. It was real
Part of
good.
that will be the pension. There's over $100 billion in management.
I went to this new place. There's a
16%. I don't know of a
place close
government
by
out
called
there
Dead
that can
Bob's,
contribute
and they
16%
moved, but the same owners kept the last building, and they
to their pension. All of these
made a
things
place called Dead Bob's or Bob's Side Piece.
line. And there's other
Bob's
And
side piece.
a
yeah,
number of interpreters and
it's like a
translators.
pizza focus, but they have all kinds of different stuff.
Languages here. Technology can be
Their
used.
food's really good,
AI can be used.
but
Remote translation can be used.
it's like a new venture for them,
For travel
and they did it right.
the conference
I'm not a
calls.
pizza guy,
From an oversight
but
perspective,
at a
beyond
Stromboli,
salaries and benefits,
I went with a
I
couple
do like
friends.
pizza.
is essential. We're leading efforts to empower
Stromboli,
oversight bodies to root out waste, fraud,
the sandwich was like,
and misconduct.
and then like we ordered a bunch of stuff and all shared it because it's like new.
Clear about
It was
focusing
good.
on the
It was
core
really good.
mandate of peace and security
But
extension, and we're
I've
leading
had
efforts to wind down
some
of the
chicken
most ineffective and costly peacekeeping measures. Some of them have been
and
around for 30, 50,
like
even 80
beef marinating for a couple days.
It's one thing to stop a conflict, to
Your
insert
boy's gonna cook that
diplomatic
tonight
diplomacy,
for some peoples.
to part ways with warring, with
They're probably gonna
warring
hate it because I'm
sides,
suck at cooking.
separate them to create the space for a
Yeah,
political but a
I've actually never had your cooking, but I've seen a lot of it.
political resolution. When you
Oh
have a
yeah,
peacekeeping force
If
I
it's
had
as
two
good as
people.
the pictures look, you're okay.
democracy in common
I've had two people text me this morning and they're like, "What? What?
that's been there
What?
for 30
What?
years,
What time am I supposed to be there? What do I need to bring?" I was like,
see how we have
"BYOB and
Your appetite.
appetite."
what we're looking to do
Yeah, man.
is to
All right, are we looking for a short up here?
peacekeeping forces come up for renewal maybe on an annual basis,
Honestly,
to a political
Stay sitting on
I'm
hands.
not. Yeah, it's like I'm not. I'm not.
efficiencies. Along those lines,
No.
again,
I'll take my 200 bucks
I mean,
and
NQ's
get the weekend.
heading NQ's heading back up to
ambassador rank
that
dedicated to the safety
321,
of aircraft.
327 range.
The reimbursement for the equipment that these
Maybe up there if we get a turnaround for a short. And ES is
10,000,
in the
18,000
middle of longs right
is
now.
not significant. These countries were being reimbursed
Here comes your
whether they
NQ up
wanted
here.
to or not. All
I
they
don't
had to do
know.
was bring it. So there was a
If it sets up,
process
man,
in place, and we received this feedback from
what's the
the
rule? If the big tick chart sets up,
equipment very
take the
much
Yeah,
trade.
we got to take it.
have a lot of wear and tear, and they still
I mean,
were
this is the
able to
area I
get
would.
that level of reimbursement. We
I
just
mean, I'm gonna do it in
negotiated new
micros,
rules, first time ever, that put standards in place that
and I'm
you
only gonna do the
have to
MES if it sets up
execute
right.
for the peacekeeping force before you receive reimbursement. These are the kind of common sense reforms that I think are pretty hard to argue with. Although we received a lot of pushback because for a lot of these countries, it's a moneymaker for their ministries of defense. We were able to just get those reforms
Oh wait, what
in.
time is it?
Just a few examples. As we look to streamline these
It's
mandates, we're
10:35.
looking to draw some of them down. UNIFIL in Lebanon, uh, we've made it clear, hasn't achieved its goals, hasn't lived up to its mandate, and should be drawn down in the next year. We're looking at a strategic review of the peacekeeping force in Western Sahara that has been there for 50 years. We are putting benchmarks in place for the peacekeeping force that's in
If
southern
it breaks above this
we
swing
look
high,
towards
like I
a
said
full
earlier,
orderly closure of
we gotta kind of think reversal, huh?
which will
It's
Pretty much.
getting there now.
87 million annually. We just
I'll dip my toes
director of the special political mission in
in on a
Yemen
micro
will save 25 million annually. We streamlined missions in Colombia and
with a
Haiti,
reversal.
saving approximately 20 million annually. So again,
But here's a
we need to
short.
solve
Here's
problems
a
that
short.
exist
Ugh.
internally on the humanitarian system. Just as a personal aside, as
Try to pull
someone
the
who
trigger on
served
that.
across Africa
Got there
in the
too
Middle
late.
East, I can't tell you how many times I would pull up to this
That was a
tiny
good setup.
ministry in a
That was
small
clean on the. It wasn't. It
Yeah.
wasn't on the.
or in South
Didn't
Asia
work on the NQ. I was looking at the NQ. I didn't see. But yeah, you're
I
right.
couldn't
That
get my
was.
mouse over fast enough to press it. I was gonna go sell market on that as soon as I saw it.
staff in their entire ministry
Crap.
from
Oh
16,
well.
17,
I don't feel like I'm
18
missing too much today anyway.
often
It was a
with overload
good setup though.
all meaning well,
This is what we call an A plus setup there, 1 UK
trying to help, but
on the ES,
pooled along
2000 tick chart,
that will
A plus setup.
these
Push up, couple wicks on top,
same
give
warehouse
yourself a nice little ledge here, sell below that. That's an A plus setup.
eliminate a lot of that duplication and waste in their
That is what we wait for, and I've missed it.
so moving forward these reforms
From a prior level, I mean, everything about this said good trade.
steps
Everything.
a long way to go, as I'm sure we'll hear about today to
Crap.
create a more
Dude, I even said it a couple seconds ago, and I looked away at another chart, and it just set up too fast for me.
building on this momentum heading in
Did you take a shot at that one? 1 UK?
Not now.
long overdue change
Oh, I thought you were talking about me.
system
Yeah, I wanted to. I just couldn't get my mouse over fast enough to press the sell button.
that undermine the
I would have been that so fast it'd make my head spin.
align our reform agenda with the Secretary General's what he
Should just jumped on it and pressed the button anyway.
mandate
Nice. There you go, bud. Good job, man.
this year, and we're having those conversations now with the candidates
Or lady, whatever you identify, person.
and continue or what new they seek to
There you go.
place. But
Get consistent with that. You'll be good.
our list.
Now, we do adjust our targets. Like, I would have adjusted my target down to, like, here,
This is a critical
like
moment
97
with senior leadership
or 98,
decisions approaching here over this next
the
year.
final target. But
We need to have
good job.
a clear message. We will prioritize
Really good job. And again, a couple different options on question answering. You can do the one-time coaching, $99. We'll spend whatever time we need with you to get those questions answered, or just come in Monday and start asking questions.
ecosystem in Geneva, in Vienna, in
Yeah, we got you, man. This not. I've been teaching people. Shit, how long have I been teaching people, Paul? Longer than I've known you.
All the time.
A long time. I've been teaching people how to trade for.
the General Assembly. The UN has tremendous potential. My charge from him is to help it
Since
We are dedicated to keeping you up to
2014,
date.
I've been teaching people how to
We're
trade, or
making
trading and
Bunka,
teaching people how to trade.
like in Say So, our new acronym Bunka,
12 years now. Woo.
because is the one place where everyone can talk.
So I,
If
I'm
we
here for
walk
you, man.
away
Whatever you need.
tomorrow, which I nor the president are advocating, it would be reinvented somewhere else. I will push hard and continuously to have it right here in the United States.
Oh, Paul, can you?
And I look forward to keeping an open dialogue
I've got
with
to
you.
step out
And
today. I'm
like I
still
mentioned,
helping
that you push through it is
the
additional
mother-in-law.
I got
encouragement
a what time? I got a doctor's appointment this
to make
afternoon.
the UN great again.
Well, I was
Thanks a
talking
lot.
What
about
do
the
you What do you
Tom
need?
Thank you,
Tom Call
Ambassador.
thing. I was wondering if you.
Members of
Well,
the
I got to
Senate,
learn how to use it.
based on seniority, alternate
Yeah, we got to get trained on that.
each member will have
And you know the
5
email.
minutes
The email happened today or no?
Each member will have
It
5
should have.
minutes
That should be a regular thing now. That should
Okay.
be set up.
I anticipate,
I want statistics.
again, the ambassador, who's actually very busy right now, but has been very generous, that we should have 10 to
We'll
15
ask
minutes
him.
potentially
Ask
per
him. See
member.
what the. We got to give it to today. See what the open rate is.
Ambassador, in my opening remarks, I briefly described the new and strengthened provision on the UN, the fiscal year
Oh, actually, you know what? I can check it. I think. Hold on.
What's
I
that?
think one of the most
Wait,
foundational
wait,
Oh
wait,
yeah,
wait,
check.
wait.
Yeah, if you could check.
you consulted the
Um.
undersecretary
No, that's not it.
yet for how much
All right, maybe we'll stay a little bit. Like go to like 11:30 this morning or something. I'd like to
Yeah,
get
I
in
mean, I
that
can't.
trade. I got a
I
couple
can't come back
accounts.
this afternoon.
is
So
No, I'm out. I gotta
when deciding
keep the missus happy, help the mother-in-law out.
now during the short time
yeah,
that
I've
you've been
got
here,
a.
ambassador, some progress has already been made in moving countries closer to
And
UN
then, and
positions.
then, boat
But
time.
we have a long way to go. Could you
Boat time.
describe
Boat
your
time.
efforts
Beach
on
time.
this front?
Something.
What are the kind of the main obstacles that you run into,
Sunset should be nice
and
today. Weather's
why
back to normal.
this tool actually matters? Why it can be helpful to you for changing voting behavior?
Yeah, it's pretty day to day.
Because
Yeah, it's tough here. I mean,
job number one is United States national security. So, if you could describe a little bit about how that tool is helpful. Is it helpful? Like to hear it.
No, thank you. It is helpful, Mr. Chairman. Look, there is obviously a line of thinking that you provide humanitarian aid for humanitarian purposes, period. But there is also, I would advocate, that the American taxpayer should know that their dollars, particularly development and other types of aid, are in line with our interests and are being used in line with our strategic goals. And if you look at the with the country, many of the countries who receive the most aid often do not or stand with us the least in some of these
yeah, it's gonna be.
international bodies. So I think it is
What's that
absolutely
song?
and I appreciate
Sunny
the
and
efforts of the
75.
committee
175 today.
Yep.
coalition and at
Sunny and
least have that
75. Beautiful
conversation,
day.
and certainly to include the U.S.
Sunny and
mission to the
75.
UN as those decisions are being
What do you guys do 1 UK Celsius?
down in
Sunny and
Brussels.
22.
We certainly appreciate that, and we appreciate
I don't know
the
what
effort on the
what is this?
issue.
What is the
One of the
Celsius
things,
version
and
of?
the ranking member raised it as well, is the resolutions
All right,
that
we
were
have.
introduced on
Holy
Israel.
crap!
And if if you look at the Human Rights Council, there's 171 introduced on Israel compared to
This
38
is
on all
boring.
nations combined. It is just completely out of whack. And as one of the countries that stands with our steadfast allies, that skews the numbers as well. But I think there's a bigger point here, and this is where we've had some successes. Votes that have
5:57 a.m.
I think most
That
recently
dude is nuts.
Who's this?
if you look at
Tom.
the president's 20-point peace plan on
What?
It's
Did I
like
miss something?
his last message was at 6 a.m.
ceasefire that so many
It was
people
going from midnight until
banging the table for
11 until
Oh,
6 a.m.
Tom. Yeah, he's an all-nighter.
Ooh,
He works all night.
living and deceased
I can't do that. That's just not. That's not
Mm-mm.
my DNA, man. Thank God for him. He's good. He's a good dude.
I can't do that all night stuff.
Ugh, I gotta catch up on all these chats. Jeez.
13-0.
What were you guys doing
Yeah,
last
dude,
night?
we were working till freaking late. I think that's why I was so tired this morning.
Oh,
Just start
appreciate you
working on
too,
that
man.
calling
Wait,
thing.
so I'm supposed to do a record? Doesn't he have enough recordings of me? I mean, like, there's a
No, don't,
thousand
no,
things.
no. We got it. Don't do anything. We got it all taken care of.
Okay.
Well, I
All
mean, I
right.
don't know. I think that's for something different. I don't know. I got to ask him about that. We were talking. We were dealing with the dialer thing yesterday. So last
Okay.
night.
All right. All right. Well, maybe we'll get it started next week.
Have some of your time.
I mean, it should be good to go. The only thing that was having trouble
Well,
was
I just don't have time to do anything today.
the
I mean,
pushing it to
I could make time, but it's going to cut into my outdoor time, and that's
boat
not.
to your boat time. You can make
Yeah.
time, but it'll cut to your boat time.
Nah, I'm not going to. I can't do that. That's too important.
Again, thank you for your hospitality, and
Don't want to mess with the boat time.
thank you for the fighting anti-Semitism
Oh.
because it is.
Wait, can we at least say a little prayer for Chuck Norris? Like,
But I do
I
want
know,
to
man. I can't believe Chuck Norris is gone. Is he really gone, or is that just fake news?
fake news. It's got to be fake news. They're like, all right, Chuck Norris, you get to move into like, he's probably like on some council now, watching over the humanity.
education
And Chuck Norris, we trust.
vaccines to save lives, stopping sexual assaults against both men and women, expanding
Ooh, wait, what country are you in? I forgot what he said. What was
reducing starvation,
when UK? I think that 75 degrees is 18
really, quite frankly,
under the metric system. Dan.
nothing if it's not
Oh, England. Oh yeah, yeah,
Chuck,
yeah. Okay, England. I played rugby in
Chuck
South
Norris.
England. I played rugby in London
so.
in like
I think I don't
18 years ago.
this, but there in
I played for the Saracens
budget after the
for a little while.
rescissions, the United States announced a withdrawal from 66
I
international
seriously, that you don't know. You don't know. Don't think when UK probably knows rugby, but
the special representative
England was
education
my fantasy rugby team for a long time.
fund. But my question is this: could you tell us
Still, there's still a team I root for.
Sometimes
Whoa,
a clean slate is the best way to recharge.
what are you doing? Why are you even saying that?
Congress? Because I don't remember anybody talking to me. That could have been an oversight.
This is boring.
Yeah, I'm just my mind's starting to wander to other things. Poor Chuck Norris in the roundhouse. In the roundhouse kick, we
Say,
trust.
Chuck Norris doesn't fear death. Death fears Chuck Norris.
See, that's why it's fake news.
A number of us have both visited Africa.
Death has a restraining order against Chuck Norris.
I like that. All right, that's what I gotta do. Chuck Norris jokes all
when
day.
when Chuck Norris stares down death, death blinks first. I love it.
Sexual exploitation and abuse. How horrific a society
Oh man, that sucks if he's really dead.
conflict and war
It's fake news. I don't believe it.
with peacekeepers, and some of these poorly trained or frankly led organizations are actually then abusing the population.
And Dan says, I'm serious for a change. He said USA Today is reporting Chuck Norris has passed away this morning, according to his family.
Oh,
In that sense, and on the humanitarian, where are we actually delivering?
Yeah, it's going to outlive Trump.
Where
Chuck Norris, man, that sucks, dude. That hurts. Losing Chuck Norris is icon.
you know, one time Chuck Norris thought he was stuck between a rock and a hard place, but then he realized it was just two mirrors.
delivering better results to that just went to Sudan. And again, it's about eliminating
Chuck Norris had a bearskin rug. It was actually a live bear that was just too afraid to get up.
migration has an education mission, UNESCO has an education mission, and in some places the education is saying, who do I deal with
I got him all day.
as we're trying to have
All right.
Chuck Norris once kicked Chuck Norris once kicked Death in the chin. Death is still looking for its teeth.
pulled up to a school.
Hey, Chuck Norris.
Check.
Chuck Norris accidentally started Katrina with a roundhouse kick.
Some of
Oh, I've heard that one before. That's a good one. Chuck, death doesn't collect souls. Chuck Norris delivers them personally.
coordinators that have some authority over what happens by all
Oh
of
man.
these agencies in their country. Look, on
1 UK. Hopefully, you see what we're seeing in the markets right now. Nothing to do except for
Yeah, we're telling jokes because it's
joke
just
around.
cases
that's
when we
that's
refer
my
to
way of staying out of trades.
Yeah, I'd rather do anything other than
I'm
trade
gonna
this
start getting
crap.
bored and want to take a trade, and it's gonna piss me off because I'll lose money, and
same thing, and we're not
then I got to go into
That
the weak red.
$25 I'm
Weekly.
down in the other account is pissing me off.
some we
I
just
don't even know where it came from.
for example, the president made early decisions on WHO, on UNRWA, on Human Rights Council.
Dan, you got to give me a Chuck Norris joke. Come on, Dan.
This is irredeemable. We may disagree on whether that's the case, but
Kevin chimed in like twice and didn't say anything after that.
organization that is gone kind of
You better call me, Kevin.
in terms of its mission.
I think my time is up.
Thank you. Mr. Siscomani, you're recognized, sir.
So just so you know, 1UK, this how we got to where we're at. I don't know if they can see each other right in here. How many people are in?
Also, yesterday, I'm grateful for
We ran a trade room for I've been running a trade room for like 7 years. And then I've been obviously teaching people longer than that. But we separated from our old ties and started back up over here in Discord. So you're in with our old faithful people that have been around us for a long time. Code of silence.
Silence.
So, and you heard Paul and I talking 1UK. We don't hide things. This is to us. We would do this for a long time. So we're getting our email system spun up and phone system and stuff to bring in new members. So over the next week or so, you'll start seeing bunch of new people come in. So we're excited. New feel, new vibe, new trade room, all kinds of good stuff here.
Pretty personal to me. I think you know this. I immigrated to this country when I was 11 years old.
And all we do is trade.
2006.
That's it. Trade and tell stupid jokes.
United States Congress, and now I'm here in
Talk about news sometimes.
distinguished colleagues and you and this amazing building.
Keep it simple, man. Man, I keep saying man. I don't know. You could be a woman. You could be a it. I don't know.
Country in so many ways, and I am proud to serve it.
How do you identify? How do you identify?
UN agencies assist
I don't really care.
U.S. like the WHO.
I'm just being silly because I don't want to trade this. Although gotta say, if it breaks this low down here, I now we can kind of draw a box in this area. If I don't have to go before it happens, probably do the same thing on the ES. A little bit
A little pop down
different,
here.
but yeah. I mean, if it gets out of this BS and we get a nice long signal, we might take that.
of the United States. So every taxpayer dollar going out the door should have a
You gotta.
Well, here's a good thing. When we don't have anything to do, 1UK, instead of me telling stupid jokes, if we don't have anything to do, like now, ask me questions. I'll get on a tangent about trading education in a heartbeat, and
He will teach.
he will talk and talk and talk.
He
talk a
will
lot.
teach.
He talk a
He
lot.
be talking. He talking like a man. He looking like a man.
advocated by the president and this body is
Yeah, I mean, we got to be above that swing high around 1007. Below the swing low around. Are you eating McDonald's or something?
I'm just. I'm.
10:15.
As a more independent
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
right now, it's still, it's an IG, but it ultimately replaces
Oh yeah, the Total Gym ads.
that it's
I forgot about those.
more independence there, and that is it's
Are you using prop accounts 1UK or cash? I don't care. I'm gonna give you. If you're using prop accounts, I'm gonna let Paul talk about
last year the new candidates.
the way
I
we.
think you got a little flush coming here
It looks like it. Let's see.
on the NQ.
There's language pushing towards
Talk about rotating through accounts so you can minimize risk. Ooh, all right. We might have something to do now. Let's
Congress and
see.
the various
You got.
agencies. One of the things I know is important to you is there is one agency that
I
focuses
can't
on
do another
refugees.
breakout.
There's
I'm not
another
going to do
agency
that.
that focuses on migrants, and then there's another agency, the World Food Program, that focuses on food.
It's tempting to say
If you
look
go
for a
to
long signal,
Niger,
isn't
for
it?
example, in the Central African Republic or the Sudan, they're not all wearing different T-shirts, and so we're pressing them. Are they meeting the legal?
Oh, missing University of Alabama student. Found not alive. Yeah, whatever.
Of common sense, or should some of these
Whoa.
just be combined? Do they need separate headquarters, separate staff, separate boards? And I think there's a real argument that they should be, but it is just like reforming our own federal government. It's a bit of a take into the account of the Chinese, the Russians, the Europeans, Africans, and others. Final point: the United States pays in our regular budget more than 180 countries.
Oh man, that was just a fake out.
There are over 30.
No, they're like,
Yeah.
yeah, we don't want
Yeah.
to. Tipping their
Now that we
hand
got
there.
everybody locked into these shorts, let's pop it back up here real quick.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I said it was tempting to look at a long, wasn't it?
Thank you, Ambassador.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ranking Member Delora, you're recognized.
I can't get myself to like really. I mean, I saw that come as a fake out, and I still couldn't pull the trigger on the long.
An inward look at this as well as looking at the UN.
I,
At this moment,
I just
we
don't
still
have the
counting, because I've asked the questions,
wherewithal right now to.
are being incurred with reward.
Yeah.
We cannot
Oh, let me step away for a second. Be right back.
Okay. No, you can't step away.
to what purpose? All by way of saying that indeed there is $1 trillion that the Department of Defense has right now, and we don't know where that is going. We need to look at accountability and look inward at where.
Let's do. I mean,
What we are doing. Migrants are different than refugees. Two different agencies. World Food is different than the other two. They need to have clear lines of demarcation as to where they go and what they do. It is not all the same. U.S. has been the largest contributor to the UN, a quarter of the budget. I don't disagree.
maybe we'll go to like 11:30.
Reform, but we're not investing, and we continue U.S. support to maintain that leverage to secure reforms. And I might add that the administration has opted to illegally, because this committee voted for these funds, illegally rescind the remaining U.S. funding for the UN regular and peacekeeping budgets for fiscal year 24 and fiscal year 25. That disregards our international obligations. That does damage our leverage. How does starving the UN of resources from a largest contributor force institution-wide budget cuts advance the goal of achieving reform? I need to ask you, Ambassador, what is it going to take, and what is the U.S. plan to provide the funds that were appropriated in 2026 to the UN? I just would make this additional point. When we don't keep our promises, and then we have others, adversaries who step in. China's fully paid its dues. And what they are saying is you can't take the United States seriously. We're called unreliable and painting itself, China, as a bastion of global stability. Let me just get the question out on this one so you can answer them all at once. How do we keep faith with our partners, particularly with developing countries, and keeping them from pivoting to China? I know you care deeply about this issue. And so I think that further isolating the United States puts us in a position of not being able to play on the international stage. And it really poses real threats to our national and economic security.
Thank you for the question, Ranking Member Galore.
All right.
Just a few points. One, our current arrears
All right, that was fun.
waste a significant portion
Should
of
take that
federal
long, but
resources
I couldn't get myself
going
into it.
forward.
Maybe it's just a slow Friday. I don't see anything else
Withheld half of our.
Please
we could
understand,
really.
I would have the same question for an official in the Biden administration.
I just wanted to
This is not
have that out
about
there.
partisanship. This is my own personal view of what we need to be doing with the United Nations. So let's keep the Biden administration out of it. Let's move
All
forward.
right, still here, huh? Haven't gone anywhere.
Paid 159 million.
What is that white line you have on your charts?
Having regular conversations both with OMB and.
Did you answer that for him already? I'm assuming you did.
What now?
What is that white line you have on your charts?
It's definitely
The
not
80
Chotsky.
I'm assuming you answered that.
No, I didn't. What is the white line you
Oh,
have on the chart? Oh, no,
it's the 89 EMA.
I spilled a little party on my screen.
It's virtually none.
1 UK, it's the 89 EMA.
Okay. Nobody likes my cocaine joke.
Point to the regular budget. Overall contribution.
And it
Yes.
does respect very well. We use a 200 SMA, which is the blue line. I don't know if he even has it on his chart right here, and an 89. But mainly the 89.
Yeah, the 89 is so important. I mean,
200 is more for just the direction of
the
trend.
yeah on the big tick chart we don't really need that. I mean the chart shows direction itself, but smaller tick charts, if you use something less than like a 2000, you probably want an 89 EMA and a 200 SMA. But the 89 with tick charts it's I learned this from an old school trader years ago. That if you use a tick chart and 89 EMA, it gives you really good trades on a regular basis. And on a bigger tick chart, it gives you very good like momentum depictions. So if it's down, you got to be selling. If it's flat, you're in neutral market. I mean, this is a sell signal setting up here. But again, anything above it, you kind of think long. Do we want to take this short?
Certainly the Chinese are.
Paul?
States in our
It's supposed to be a good trade.
Vice Chairman of Committee, Mr. Evans.
Ambassador, thank you.
Crap. Look at that. That flat. That's silly.
Two.
That was supposed to be a good trade. All right, that's it. I'm done for the week. I'm not taking another. I mean, that was a $130 loss, but I'm not going to take another one.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to trade this
That's
crap.
a- I
Because
mean,
all I'm
that's
going
a
to do is end
setup,
up giving
though.
money
Look
back.
at this. Look at this. That's a setup that's supposed to work. And
And it will, but was your stop above the swing?
I didn't move my stop to the right spot.
No, I was gonna say, it will if you had the right
That's a good
stop.
setup. Yeah, no, that was poorly
There you go. There's
executed.
working.
Poorly executed on my part. Poor execution. Oh, I kicked myself for that crap. Why didn't I move my stop faster? Stupid. That was dumb on my part.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say, if you had the right stop, you had a winning trade.
I got lulled to sleep by the freaking market there, man.
I know I'm telling you, I think we wrap it up. I don't want to stay here and do this because I can tell you right now, I'm not going to trade, even if something clean sets up.
But
I'm
this is
done.
a good example. This one is a really good example though. 1UK, you get the setup around the 89, you take the trade, and had I managed my stop and put it up here appropriately, this would be a nice little winning trade. Perfectly fine. It'd been a nice winning trade. Just dumb on my part on that one. Got lulled to sleep on it. But again, there's a lot of people that trade tick charts and just an 89, nothing else. All they do is wait for price, get to the 89, and reverse, and they take the trade. Get to the 89, reverse. They even take these little trades here off the 89, get to it, pop up. They'll take it on a regular basis, and that's all they do. I know a lot of people that just do that. Very effective. I don't like trading, scalping like that. That's not my forte. But any size tick chart here, I could show you another one too. Let's do this 1,000 tick chart I got here too. That's one I just. That's the one. That's the same account I just took that loss on. It's only $130 loss, so it's not that big. Oh, come on. What did I just do? Here we go. Same thing on a smaller tick chart. Very, very well. It's like a, reversion to the mean. That's really what it does. But respects it very well. Gives you really good, and really any size tick chart, you get a good, healthy. And this is again, this guy that showed me this years ago was an institutional guy. So there's a lot of bigger firms out there that still hold to, like the hedge funds and stuff, that still hold to this 89 principle. So it's one of those things like, why does it work? Because a lot of other people are doing
Everybody,
it.
that's because
Yeah.
a lot of people are doing it. Yeah.
Why does it work? Because a lot of people are doing it.
Why do most of these indicators work? Because
One of Yeah, because other people use them. I
other people
mean,
use them.
what I really like is when you get like a head and shoulders pattern around the 89. That's usually a good trade, a really good trade. Or an inverse head and shoulders. Here's another one where it comes up, breaks down, get a nice little trade out of that. You didn't get the other side of the head and shoulders, so you don't take that. Where's an inverse? I saw an inverse one somewhere. But those are usually really good trades. M's around the 89, W's around the 89, usually pretty good trades. There's another M around it. So those just give you something to, if you want to do some homework over the weekend, use a couple different size tick charts there on your MES. Now, one of the things I would absolutely suggest is make your decisions based on the ES, not the MES, which is why we use a chart trader that allows us to do the micro on the mini chart. There you go. There's a little bit for you there, bud.
Getting a little bit of gold.
Yeah. After that stupid mistake, Paul, I'm pretty much.
Yeah, I'm honestly, I was been trying to hint around to tell you to close it up earlier, but
No, that was
there's no,
dumb. That was a
yeah,
$130 cost that I should not have incurred.
just literally give it back.
It's dumb, stupid. All right, yeah,
All right.
yeah. No, it's one UK. It's extremely reliable, man. I've been using the 89 and tick charts since probably eight 8 years. Different forms and varieties of it, but everybody knows everybody in here, but knows my story. But I really got consistent at trading probably about 8 years ago. I know, been doing it 14 years, 12 years. First 4 years, learning lessons, learned the hard way. But it really helped. I mean, it's something that if you I take Paul's son for example, and he doesn't use this process, but if you focus on one setup and just something around the 89, your consistency will go through the roof. How about that? There you go. How about this? I'll give you some homework, 1UK. On the weekend, do some playback on Ninja. Just trading with overbought or oversold stochastics and the 89. That's it. How about that?
You'll see.
You'll prove it to yourself.
It works.
Yeah, do that this weekend. Do a playback for random days on Ninja, and just do overbought. We use three. Here's your stochastic settings. 3, 14, 5. Okay. You got that? 3, 14, 5, 89 EMA. I don't care the tick chart size you use. We think bigger ticks bigger is better. The big tick. I like big tick charts, and I cannot lie. But I mean, you go all the way down to like a 600 on the ES, and nothing changes. All right, there you go. All right. Why don't all of you guys do some homework and go out and trade red wine. Once you do some playback, trade the big tick charts with stochastics in the 89. I mean, look at
Everybody
this.
should
Even
do it.
on the RTY as well. I mean, red wine, you do this just on the RTY, man. These will give you trades. Overbought stochastics around the 89, turns over, trade. Overbought stochastics around the 89, turns over, trade. Turn over, trade. Turn over, trade. Turn over, trade. Turn over, trade. I mean, do this. Now, I don't do it as often as we should. We probably should focus more on that. Oversold stochastics, turn around, trade. I mean, overbought stochastics, turn around, trade. So do it around the 89. I don't care what the asset is. It works. It just works. All right, there you guys go. That's it. I'm done. Mike, drop. Oh, we didn't ask Mr. Predicto anything. Hold on a second.
Humanitarian response. I know this administration is saying its approach to the UN is about reform, and I support reform. We all support reform. And there is important work to be done to modernize the UN, decrease inefficiencies, tackle anti Semitism and anti Israel bias, and make sure our taxpayer dollars are put to maximum impact. Reform is good, but what's happening
All right.
now is not that.
Anybody up? Dan, anybody? What do you want to ask Mr. Predicto?
$2.2 billion in dues that
It's got to be a yes or no question.
threatening the core work of UN agencies.
Come on, guys. Paul, anybody? What do you ask Mr. Predicto? Doesn't have to be about the markets.
At a time when countries are slashing investments in healthcare and education in favor of higher military budgets. A hobbled UN does not make the
Is my trading over for the day?
takes us off the world stage. It's America alone and not America first.
Okay, where did
To
that
give you
little
credit, Mr.
spurt
Ambassador, this
come from?
administration has shown what can be accomplished by U.S. leadership on the world stage with Security Council Resolution 2803. It's a great example. You helped bring the world together to support this 20-point plan, call for the release of the hostages, address the humanitarian crisis facing
Ask him.
Palestinian
My trading's over yet?
and reinforce the need to
Oh, hold on.
Hamas. So we need a strong
Let's see. I wanted to be something other than. Okay.
Something other than what I already
Mr.
know?
Predicto is Paul's trading over for today.
I am confident it is no.
Oh, yes, it is then. Wow.
Told you.
There you go.
Told you.
We do the opposite of what Mr. Predicto says.
hundreds more have been injured. And we still do not have, or Congress does not
All right.
what the strategy is to achieve our
I see you typing when you can. I'm going to hold off here to shut things down until I get what you're going to say.
follow up in 2 minutes left with my
But we are done for the week. DFW.
Edwards.
I'm going to walk away with a little red today. That sucks.
6 international organizations. I just wanted to clarify, were you consulted and how was the process going forward to
I will eat that red and come back next week
the importance of cost savings?
and probably be red again all week.
With the
What do you think the odds of that are?
there are
Slim.
Mr. Predicto, am I going to be red all week next week?
Slim.
Thank you.
Yes, it is certain.
See? I'm not going to be red next week.
Will not be red next week.
Yeah, there you go.
On the 80th anniversary of its
I want to ask about price crossing the 89 on yes, and thought maybe it was going to.
I've charged the team here is finding ways to continue
Price crossing on the yes.
Well, all right, so here. Then
But
you're like,
you don't have an
think of
overbought
think of the
stochastic.
89 like a magnet. There's no overbought or oversold yet. So this is your deciding point. So if here, this is a good example. This short right here that I should have stayed in, silly, didn't manage my stop properly on. If you get a little structure here, the 89 is going to be your like deciding factor. So if it breaks above the structure, that's a long. If it breaks below it, that's your short. Like I tried to do, just to manage my stop right. And so just
What's your
think of it like-
stochastic?
it's like a magnet. So you're going to see price get drawn to it, and then you make a decision. Is it going to turn around to 89, or is it going to? So now, I would think that this would be if this stalls here. And now we don't want to get in habits of taking breakouts, but if it stalls here and pushes up, this would be a long. There you go. And so then now you would probably think next time it comes back to the 89, you're looking for the long signal. Okay, does that answer the question? Just think of it like a magnet. That's the easiest way to look at it. Magnet. Magnet. Okay. All right. Hey, have a great weekend, guys. I'll post
Yes.
pictures Monday of my experiences.
On the boat.
I was gonna post pictures of my food tonight.
That would be good. Always
gonna be
jealous to
good.
see that.
Yeah. It's funny. Like I threw that little lunch thing yesterday together in like 20 minutes, but it looked good, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
I had chives I put on top, fresh chives that I cut up, put on top of it. I didn't put that in the picture.
Yum.
Yeah.
Yum. I'm gonna go eat now. Actually. All right, I'm gonna go. I'm
I
done.
gotta hit the gym. I gotta hit the gym
All right.
before I start doing stuff. Oh,
Yep.
never mind.
Everybody have a
Put
good
that in there.
weekend.
Yep. All right.
I'm out.
See you, Paul. See you guys. Have a great weekend. Thank you. See you 1K. It's 1UK. Dan, everybody. See y'all. Bye now. Stretch, Red Wine, Lulu. Oh, Lulu's here. Gunter. All y'all. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, and Paul. See you.